In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Word to put an accent on an E. Accented letters are essential in many languages, including French, Spanish, and Portuguese, where a missing accent can completely change the meaning of a word. Microsoft Word provides several easy ways to add accents to your letters, ensuring your text is accurate, professional, and readable. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through different methods so you can choose the one that fits your workflow and device. One of the most efficient methods is using keyboard shortcuts. For example, if you want to type an E with an acute accent like A, you can hold down the Control key and then press the apostrophe key. Release both keys and then type the letter E. This method works for both lowercase and uppercase letters, giving you A or A depending on your choice. Similarly, for the grave accent, such as A, hold down Control and press the grave key before typing E. Other accents, like the circumflex, A, or the diaresis, E, can also be entered using combinations like Control plus Shift plus caret for A, or Control plus Shift plus colon for E. Another option is using the Insert Symbol feature in Microsoft Word. To do this, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen, then click on Symbol and select More Symbols. In the dialog box, you can browse through different characters or choose a subset, such as Latin 1 supplement, to quickly locate accented E's. Once you find the character you need, click Insert and it will appear in your document exactly where your cursor is positioned. This method is particularly useful if you only need accents occasionally or want a visual reference for different options. If you are using Word on a Mac, there's an even simpler method. Just press and hold the E key. A small menu will pop up showing all available accent options for E. You can click on the one you want or type the corresponding number to insert it into your text. For users with numeric keypads, Word also supports alt codes. By holding down the Alt key and typing specific numeric codes on the keypad, you can insert accented letters quickly. For instance, Alt plus 0233 will produce A, and Alt plus 0201 will produce A. This is a fast and reliable method if you frequently type accented characters. By using these techniques, you can easily type A, or A in Microsoft Word, keeping your writing accurate and properly formatted. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.